What will we learn in this course? We have 3 playlists in this course. Playlist 1, we have basic Kotlin programming that we will cover every single topic related to basic Kotlin. In playlist 2, we have object-oriented programming and data structures with Kotlin. In playlist 3, we have advanced Kotlin programming, which we will cover the topics related to coroutines, or we can say asynchronous programming with Kotlin. So let's jump to the basic Kotlin programming roadmap. In basic Kotlin programming roadmap, we have these topics that we will cover. We have Kotlin syntax, the way that we are writing code with Kotlin, which will be different than other programming languages like Java, C++, or Python. We have other topics like Kotlin outputs, comments, variables, data types, operators. We have conditional statements, or we can say if-else statements. We have loops in Kotlin, Kotlin break clause or continue. We have arrays, range function, or and we have Kotlin functions. And don't worry, I will cover every single topic with examples, and we will solve the problems that we will make you understand what is basic Kotlin, and we will cover all topics in the way that would be the easiest way for you guys to learn Kotlin. Thank you, and go through the all topics and learn them by practice, and practice will be the key to learn a topic proper. Thank you guys.